Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements, and in front of me we have the Nasdaq 100 futures chart. Now as you can see on Wednesday here, the markets have been rather flat. We're currently trading at 12,684. We've been trading in and out of 12,700 area. Of course that gives a quite of a large psychological number, as it is the 700 area, but I'm looking for a move going into tomorrow's trading session to see whether we can break back above 12,700. Saying that though, I do expect low volatility going into tomorrow's trading session due to the fact the majority of European countries and other countries around the world based in Asia are on national holiday, so the markets will be shut. The US markets will still be open on Christmas Eve, but as I just mentioned, the majority of large other companies such as the UK, Germany, France will be shut, so that will cause low liquidity in the markets, which will then result in low volatility. So do not expect any large movements going into tomorrow's trading session, and I kind of expect this to be the same going into next week as well, because of course at the end of next week on Thursday and Friday we have New Year's Eve and New Year's Day, so there will not be much volatility at all up until pretty much the 2nd of January now. So for that reason, I'm still a buyer, medium to long term. I had a price target of 13k for the end of the year. We fell short of only 300 points, but that's a very good performance here in Nasdaq 100, considering the fact we traded all the way down to 7,000 back in March. So it's been a phenomenal year trading here in Nasdaq 100. It'll be good to see if we can end it back at all-time highs above 12,700. But I am a buyer, and I think going in towards the end of the year we could potentially achieve 12,800. As I mentioned in previous videos, we've probably just had the most e-commercial Christmas ever. Older people and even younger people are wanting to buy their Christmas presents for their loved ones this year online instead of going to stores, because of COVID. It's still a very large threat in the majority of countries, such as here, for example, in the UK, the majority of the country has just been put on tier 4 now. So that means that people are basically in lockdown, which will now result in more purchasing done on Amazon, more purchasing of iPhones, more purchasing of Netflix subscriptions, you name it. So the big tech companies will benefit a lot from these lockdown restrictions being put in place by many governments around the world. So I am a buyer of a Nasdaq 100, long term, short term and medium term. RSI has corrected itself. Technically we're looking exceptional. Fundamentally we're looking very good as well. So I'm a buyer, no interest in selling. 2021 is going to be a great year for this industry.